Hey folks, it's another cold night across the valley. Temperatures didn't warm up a lot today. We did make it into the 50s, but now skies are clearing. Temperatures are going to drop quickly tonight. A freeze warning in effect, a wind chill advisory in effect from midnight until 9 a.m. for everybody except right along the coast, and it feels cold there too. These are the current temperatures across the area. You can see we've all warmed back into the 50s. The cool spot at the coast, 50. North winds at 17 still. The dew point down at 29. You see dew point below freezing. That's as low as the temperatures can go, but it's below freezing, so that gets our attention. These are your wind gusts right now, still gusting to over 25 miles an hour across a lot of the valley. So in addition to being cold, it's windy, and when it gets a little cooler tonight, that wind chill will kick in. It'll feel a lot colder than it actually is. These are our forecast lows. About 28 in Rio Grande City, about 5 hours at or below freezing. Edinburgh, Weslaco, 32 each, about 2 hours below freezing. There you see Raymondville and Harlingen. We think McAllen, at least in the city, will probably bottom out around 34, but if you're out north and west of town or out in the country a little bit, you'll probably get colder than that. These are city temperatures, so you'll be colder if you're out in the country. 45 at the island, about 35 in Brownsville. I think Port Isabel, probably about 35 and 36 degrees. So it's going to be a cold night across all of the valley. And tomorrow we bounce back a little bit, closer to 60 with north winds at 10 to 18. But even with the sun out, it's going to feel weird because we're not used to having a sunny day that's still chilly, where you still need a jacket. And that's what tomorrow is going to be. Now you look at the next 3 days, the normal high for this time of year is 81. We won't get back to that before Friday. In fact, we're not going to be back to 81 anytime soon because another front on Sunday will cool us off again. Doppler network finally quieting down, a couple of leftover showers, and that's about it. The clouds are finally thinning out west-east across the area. Plenty of sunshine in Starr County, most of Hidalgo County, and the clouds are thinning in Willacy and Cameron counties as well. And future tracks suggest will be clear part of the night, and that'll allow us to drop to those readings at 6 a.m. That's when we think we'll see the freezing temperatures. We usually hit it an hour or two before dawn, and depends on where you are. You stay there until maybe an hour or two after dawn, especially in the western part of the valley. By tomorrow afternoon, sunny skies, still breezy. Go on to Thursday morning, near freezing again in the morning, but sunshine again during the afternoon helps temperatures bounce back at least a little bit. And Friday, we're a little bit warmer. Rest of Texas, it's cold everywhere. 41 in Abilene, 39 in Dallas, even Houston. They had snow in Houston today. First time they've ever had snow in November in Houston. Not a lot, but a little bit. Big deal, right? We had sleet, they had snow. Here's the picture of Texas. It's clear across most of the state. Clouds across the extreme south and eastern parts of Texas, and that stuff is moving out. Cold air building in. As that cold air builds in, it hangs out while the high pressure stays in Texas. By Friday, let's go to Friday, that high will push away. When the high pushes away, the winds will come back out of the southeast. That warms us back up a little bit. By Sunday, this front will be down here. Could trigger showers for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week. But between now and then, we're dry, dry, dry. Don't see much chance of rain. Traveling tomorrow, take a coat. 30 in San Antonio in the morning, 28 in Dallas, 32 in Houston. Here's a look at the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures mainly in the 50s. So for tonight, 32 for a low, clear skies, a freeze warning in effect. You saw the other temperatures across the area. Then tomorrow back to 59, sunny and cool. It's going to be a chilly day all across the valley tomorrow. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and you can see that we keep temperatures kind of chilly tonight into tomorrow, and then look at the weekend. We're back in the 70s, but look at the chance of rain showing up starting Sunday and lasting into the middle part of the week. The next front looks like it will likely stall right on top of us. Not particularly cold, but could be rather rainy.